the opening screen of MS Word 2007. To open the MS Word 2007, first we have to click on the Start and click on the All Programs and select the Microsoft Office. Here we have to click on the Microsoft Office 2007. This is the Microsoft Word 2007 screen. Here is another method also. To open the same screen using another method, click on the Start and then select the Run option. Then we can find the Run dialog box here. In this box, just type Win Word and then click on OK. Then also automatically Word screen will be displayed here. So in this screen, while we comparing with the oldest versions such as the 97 or 2003, then we can find out this major difference, that is that there is no menus are presented in Microsoft Word 2007. So this screen what you are watching on your monitor is called the Microsoft Word 2007. Here in place of the menus, the Microsoft is replaced some icons. They are called as the ribbons. So here Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailing, Review and View ribbons are presented. And here also presented one Office button with the Microsoft Office icon. So when we click on this icon, automatically we can find the options just like in the file menu. Let us see how to create a new file and how to save it. To create the new file, just we have to click on the Office button and then click on the new option. Now new document dialog box will be presented here. In this dialog box, here we have to select the template or we have to select the online template. So these first four are offline and the installed templates. Here blank and recent object, it's useful to create the blank document and all others are useful to use the installed templates from the computer or from the Microsoft Corporation. Here this Microsoft Office Online, these are also the templates, but they will work only with the internet connection. If we have the internet, then only we can use these options. And these options are very useful and very easy to create the different objects. Let's create a blank document. To create the blank document, just click on the blank and recent and then select the blank document option. Here we have to click on the create option. See, this is the blank document. Here we can type the information or we can insert different objects and different methods. Let's see how to type the information within the text. To type the information, just place the cursor. Here cursor means the blinking object which is blinking on the screen. That is called as the cursor. So first place the cursor where we want to type our text and then type the information. Automatically the information will be appear. Just like this, we can type any information and any number of lines. To give new line or to move the cursor to next line, just type the information and just press enter key on the keyboard. Automatically the cursor will move to the next line, and to go to the previous screen, just press the backspace on the keyboard. Automatically the cursor will goes to the previous object. But remember, if there is any words, by pressing the backspace key, automatically the words will be removed from the screen. Let us see how to save this document. After typing our information, we must save the document for the future reference. If we save the document, then only we are able to make the changes or to take the printout in the future. To save that, first click on this Office button and then select the Save option. Then the Save As dialog box will be presented here. Here is another method also. By clicking on this Save icon, then also we can get the same box, and by pressing Control plus yes keys. So that's mean press the Control and hold it and then press yes key from the keyboard. Then also automatically we can find the Save As dialog box. So this is Control is a shortcut to save the information. In the Save As dialog box, just here we have to type the name of the file. In the 2003, the extension for the Word is a DOC, that is the document. But in the 2007, the extension of Word is a DOCX. The X is separately added. So here, after typing the name of the file, then we have to specify the drive or the location where we want to save. Suppose if we want to save our file on the desktop, then click on the desktop option. Otherwise, if we want to save our file in any of other drives on the My Computer, then select the My Computer and select the drive where we want to store. Or to save in the default folder, the default folder is My Documents. It's presented here. So in the My Documents screen, all and files will be stored in the My Documents only. It's a default location for each and every file. Specify the location and click on the Save option. Automatically it will be saved. The saved name will be presented in the title bar. Let us see how to close the file. Before closing this file, first we have to know what is the name of our file. So we have created the file with name example.docx. See how to close the file. Just click on the Office button and then select the Close option. Remember here, close is different and exit is different. So when we click on the Exit option, then entire the application will be closed. When we click on the Close button, then only this particular file will be closed. See, automatically the file is closed from the Microsoft Word application. Let us see how to open the existing file. To open the same file what we created here, so just click on the Office button or press Ctrl plus O. Two combination of keys, Control key and O key. Then we can find the dialog box. Otherwise, click on the Office button and select the Open button. So this is the Open dialog box. Here, first we have to specify the location where we saved our document and then select the name of the document or type the name. Automatically, based on the first letter, all the file names will be displayed in the ascending order. So here select the file name what we want to open and then click on Open button. The file will be open here. So this is the process to open an existing document. We can open any number of files here. And let us discuss about the formatting options. The formatting options are useful to decorate the font, and it's also useful to align the text. Let us see first adding the different decorations to our text. After entering our information, just select the information and then see in the home page we can find the B bold, I for italic, U for underline. Select the required position. Suppose if we want to show this word in the bold letters, then select this and click on the B option. Automatically they will be appear with the extra large. So this is called the bold. Suppose if you want to show the same text in the italic format, then select the text and then click on the I. And to show the underline, just click on the U option. So this is the format. To remove the same options, click on the B. To remove bold, click on I. To remove italic, click on U. To remove underline. We can also use the shortcut keys also. Let us discuss about the shortcuts. So here, Ctrl plus B is a shortcut for the bold, Ctrl plus I is a shortcut for the italic, and the Ctrl plus U is a shortcut for the underline. So when we overlay on the particular object, automatically we can find the shortcut also, like that. And if you want different underline styles, then select the text and click on the U, and here we can find a small arrow mark with down here. Just click on the down head arrow mark. These are the variety types of underline methods. When you place the cursor on one of the underline method, automatically the text will be appear with that underline, that's means selected underline option. Select the required underline, and if you want to specify a color for the underline, then in the same option select underline color option and specify a color. So automatically the underline will be displayed in the selected color. Here another important method is creation of subscripts and superscripts. For example, if you want to write a plus b whole square principle, that will be appear like this. But here we have to show the 2 as the square. To show the squares or root, here first we have to select the letter which we want to square and select the square x square option. This is called the superscript. When you click on that option, automatically the selected text automatically looks like the square. And here is also a shortcut. By pressing Ctrl, Shift and plus keys, we can automatically create the superscript. And here, to remove the superscript, press the same shortcut key, that's mean the Ctrl, Shift and plus, or select the superscript letter and press on the same button. And as the same way, to create the subscript, suppose if you want to create the equation H2O, in this example the 2 must be the subscript. To create the subscript, select the subscript option on the home ribbon. So click on the X2 option. Automatically 2 looks like the subscript. Here we have the shortcut also. By using the shortcut, we can also create the subscript. The shortcut for the subscript is Ctrl and plus. When we click on the Ctrl and plus, automatically we can create the subscript option. In the formatting option, next important method is changing of the font colors and font face. First, we will discuss about how to change the font face. Font face means name of the font. So the name of this font is Calibri body. So the font name will be displayed here. We can change the font name by selecting the word and select the font option. Click on the down head arrow mark. It will show all the different types of fonts what are installed in the system. Among the fonts, we have to select one style. When you put the cursor on the particular style, automatically the preview will be displayed on the screen. Observe that, like it. If you want to change the font name, to Gulim, just click on this font, automatically the font will be changed like this. Now we have to increase the size of font. To increase the font size, select the font and click on the size option. This is the 16th size. By selecting the more size, we can also increase the size, and by selecting the less numbers, we can decrease the size. And here is also the shortcut. Just select the font and press Ctrl closing button. And to decrease the font size, we can use the Ctrl plus opening bracket. By using these keys, we can increase the font size and we can decrease the font size as our wish. In the 2007, here is another advantage also. We can also increase the font size, or we can also decrease the font size by click on the A symbols. So see there, A up arrow mark and A down arrow mark. So this A up arrow mark, it's mean grow font, and A down arrow mark, it's a shrink font. So by click on the up arrow mark, we can increase the font size, and by click on the down arrow mark, we can decrease the font size. Suppose if we want to change the font style as per the default font styles and font size, then we can simply change this font size to default style by click on the A and eraser symbol. By click on this icon, automatically all the font styles and font colors what we applied will be removed from the selected sentence. This is called the clear format option. To clear that, just select the font and click on this clear formatting option. See, this is the default font size and default font. In the Word, we can also change the cases. So here it's showing the capitals and small case. Suppose if we want to convert this sentence into uppercase, then we can easily convert it to uppercase or the lowercase or sentence case or any other cases. To change that, select the word which we want to convert and then select this double A mark. When we click on this down arrow mark, then we can find a list of different cases. Here, by clicking on the uppercase, automatically we can convert the sentence to uppercase, and by selecting the lowercase, we can show the selected text in the lowercase, and in the sentence case, in capitalized each word and integral case. So we can use any of the case here. And here is a shortcut also. By changing the different fonts, we can change by pressing the Shift and F3. By pressing the Shift and F3 keys, we can change the font cases. Let us discuss another important feature of MS Word. Here we can add the bullets and numberings. Numbering means the serial number. For example, here are some of the sentences. Suppose if you want to make numbers, that's mean 1, 2, 3 for the each and every line, then we can easily insert the numbers without typing. Let us see how to insert the numbering. To insert the numbering, select the text and then click on this number icons. 1, 2, 3 icons we can find here. So click on the numbers option under home ribbon. We can find the different styles. Suppose if you want to use 1, 2, 3s, then select the 1, 2, 3 format. If you want to use the ABC, then use the ABC format, and if you want to use the Roman letters, then select the Roman format and just click on the selected object. Automatically they will be appear on the selected text. The same. to insert the bullets. Bullets means some special marks. Same, select the information and select the bulleting style, which style you need, and click on the style. Automatically the special mark will be appeared there. Here, to sort the information, here sorting means rearrangement of the information in the ascending or descending, that's A to Z or Z to A order. To sort this information, so then select the information first of all and then click on the A to Z option. We can find the sort text dialog box. In the sort text dialog box, select the field 1 under sort by option and here select the ascending or descending. Here ascending means A to Z sort and the descending means Z to A sort. Select any one of the option and click on OK button. Let's see, it's automatically sorted A, B, C order. And to sort the descending, select the same information, click on the AZ and select descending option and click on OK. Now it's sorted in the descending order. Let us see how to change the font colors. So this black color is the default color. We can also change the font colors. To change that, select the information and click on the A option. So it's called the font color and specify the color which we need. Automatically the entire text will be appear in the selected color. And here is another method also. First select the information. After selection, we can find a small box. In the box also we can find the A symbol. Here select the color which we need. Automatically it will be changed into that selected color. To change the background color, just click on the AB and pencil mark. It's called the text highlight color. Select the option and specify a color as per the background. So automatically the background will be changed to selected color. As the same, we can add the same colors for other information also. See another important feature in the home ribbon, so that is alignment of the information. See, this is called the left alignment. In the left alignment, we can adjust the numbers or text at the left side and we cannot adjust at the right side. And to change the alignment, first select the paragraph or select the text and click on the alignment options there. This is the center, right and justify. When you select the justify option, automatically enter paragraph or text will be adjusted within the left and right margins. Here this is the right margin and this is the left margin. So total paragraph will be adjusted within the two borders, and in the left alignment only left side is adjusted and right side is not adjusted. The center, both sides are not adjusted, and in the right alignment, right side text is adjusted and the left side is not adjusted. So we can simply change the alignment option by using any one of them. We can also use the shortcuts for the alignments. Here for the left alignment, we can use the Ctrl plus L, combination of two keys, Control key and L key. And we can use the right alignment for Ctrl plus R. And for the center, we can use the Ctrl plus E. And for the justify, we can use the Ctrl plus J. In MS Word, we can use another important method, that is the copy, cut and paste. Suppose we need the same text what we typed in our document again in another place, then we can copy the same typed information and we can paste in other place. Suppose if we want to move the information from one location to another location, then we can use the cut option. See how they work. To copy, select the information which we want to copy and then right click and select the copy option. Otherwise, click on the Ctrl plus C and place the cursor where we want to insert the information and right click, paste. Automatically the copied information will be pasted in the desired location. We can also use the Ctrl plus V keys to paste. And to cut the information, select the information which we want to cut and select right click option, select the cut option. When we click on the cut option, automatically the selected information is removed from the original location. And place the cursor, right click and click on the paste. Observe, by using the cut option, the selected information is moved from one location to another location. And by using the copy option, the information is copied twice. Then we can find the same word in the source and also we can find in another method also. Here, to copy the information, we can use the double paper mark symbols, and to cut the information we can use the scissors icon. To paste it, we can use the pad and paper icon. Also use the shortcuts. To copy the information, first select the information and then press Ctrl plus C keys, and to cut, Ctrl plus X, and to paste, Ctrl plus V. In the 2007 screen, we can find the Find Replace options in Home ribbon. The use of Find option is to find out the specified information, and the Replace option is useful to replace the old text with specified new text. Let us see how to find the information within the document. In the 2007 screen, when we click on the Find arrow mark, we can find two options. One is the Find and another is the Go to option. Let us see about the Find option. To use the Find, select the Find option here. Then automatically the Find and Replace dialog box will be displayed. Here we can find Replace, Go to options, and under Find option there is a Find What option. Under Find What option, we have to type the text which we want to find out and click on the Find Next. Automatically the information will be displayed in highlight. By selecting the Find Next option, we can find out the information. And let us see how to replace the information. To replace the information, click on the Replace. Here under Find What option, type the old text, and Replace with option, type the new text. And click on the Replace All option and click on Yes. Then automatically in place of the My MS, automatically we can find the Microsoft. This is called the replacing option. And in the Go to option, when we enter the page number, automatically that page will be displayed on the screen. And the last option in the Home ribbon is different headings of Microsoft Office 2007. Here we can find different heading styles. By using this selected object, we can automatically display the information. These all are the different types of headings. Here is another option. Suppose if we want to give some spaces among each and every line within the paragraph, then we can give the line space option. Select the paragraph option here and select spacing option and select the single line option or double line option and click on OK. Then automatically we can create some space among each and every line. We can also use the paragraph indent option to give the line space. To give the single space, select this option, and to give the 1.15 space, select the 1.15 to maximum 3, and we can also decrease the information. Here we can give or we can create the lines to enter the paragraph or selected objects. Suppose if you want to show this information what we typed here within the table, then we can also use their borders option. By using the borders option, automatically the information displayed within the border. Here we can use the draw table option, and we can also draw the columns like this. We can also change the color in each and every row by click on the paint option. Like this, we can change the line or row colors. So these are the different objects under home ribbon, and we will discuss next in the insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review and view options.